Am I in frame now? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I said I was not going to upload until turkey season, but I said screw it today. It's a nice day. Going dirt bike riding, and there's a little pond near the track where we're riding, and it is loaded with fish. And they usually hit like all year long. So I'm going to take a topwater with me today and see if I can catch some topwater fish in April. So just going to see what happens. Take you guys along with me. I'll take the GoPro. Yeah. That's going to be like riding dirt bikes and fish at the same time. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so I don't know how much dirt bike riding I'm going to show, but the fishing is going to be definitely good. So yeah, I'll see you at the pond. Alright, I'm seeing bluegill. Oh, there's a bass. He's like 6 inches long. He's interested. Throw something a little bit more his size. Little tiny grub. Little swimmer. Let's see if he'll grab it. No, what the heck? How did that get stuck so fast? There we go. Catch him. There we go. Buddy, you are the size of bait. You are the size of bait. Wow. He wanted that so bad. Look at this little dude. Tiny little guy. Oh well. You count. I'll let you go. Sweet. I'm surprised that little guy could fit that in his mouth. Tiny little bass. Oh, I got hit. There we go. Oh, buddy swiped at it. He missed it. There's gill in it, though. I'm sorry, buddy. I know. Not comfortable. Open him up. There we go. Look at that little dude. Not very big, but heck, man. He counts. That little thing on the side of his fin. I love this little pond. Not full of monsters, but the fish you do catch, they're fun. There we go. Another little guy. 3 for 3. Oh my god. What a stud. Come on, get back in there, stud muffin. Get on. There we go. Got another one. Dude, this is so cool. Tiny. They're healthy though. Very tiny but very healthy. There we go. Look at that, bro. He ate. He's got this in his mouth for a tiny little guy. He's got a beetle inside of his mouth. I don't know if you can see that. Way back in there, he's got a beetle. Come on, buddy. Hungry little guy. Really hungry little guy. Dude, they're tiny. I'm surprised they're hitting baits that are half the size of them. Here's a little bass. Watch this. Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. He's gonna hit it, and boom, got him. Oh, he came off. Darn it. This is so much fun. I don't care if they're not big. I've been going on catching 2 fish a day, so this works with me 100%. Uh-oh, I see a V. Let's go. Get up here, Jimmy. Jimbo, Jim Bob. Bro, he smoked it through the brush to get to that. He had to kick her into high gear. Look at all that junk in his mouth. Look at all that. It's like fishing in California. It's so clear. Bro. There's one. He's better. He's better, but he's still not great. Now in the summertime, when I'm throwing a frog here, you'll get bigger bites, but I am throwing a smaller lure. Look at that, man. It's like a leech in the top of his mouth. Huh. This is just so much fun. This went from a topwater video to a micro fishing video so fast. This dog's going nuts. This dog's growling at me. Dog wants to kill me. Oh my god, bro. Why is your dog so aggressive? Oh, dude, that's a nice one that was chasing me in. Dude, he's a good one. There we go. Oh, dude, I bumped him in the face. I bumped him in the face and he hit it. Dude, if I hit him in the nose like I did before, he went after it. So I just gotta smoke him right in the face. Just gotta drop it right on his nose. Oh, buddy, you want it. I know you want it. No, it's my GoPro cord. Had to burn it over these guys. Oh, he's so aggressive. He wants it. Or he doesn't, I don't know if he wants it. He's kind of mad at it. Dude, he looks like he's on a bed. He's locked, bro. Oh my god, bro. He smoked it. That's a 2.5. Get up here. Let's go. I just had to hit him in the face with it a couple times. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. That's a chunky old boy. Chunky, chunky guy. Had to hit him in the face with it 2 or 3 times. Tail's not bloody, so he's not spawning, but on well. Oh, there he goes. I knew he'd hit it. I just needed to bump him in the nose with it a few times.
20 minutes later.
Good day fishing. I'll see you guys back at the house. Wow, this lighting is bad. This is really bad. Turn on light. Is that better? Thank you guys for watching the video. This is kind of one of those videos. Just threw it out there. Didn't really expect much to happen, and a lot of stuff happened. So I thought, well, I'll upload it. Why not? I'm bad at keeping promises, so don't quote me. I could get in trouble someday. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. I have no idea when. So yeah. I'll see ya.